What's up, guys? It's your girl Dad, and I'm back again with another video. Today we're just going to be doing a short set, and she wanted French tip, so that's what we're doing. French tip is pretty tedious, and it does take a little bit longer. So if you're doing French tip, especially if you're doing all acrylic French tip, just make sure you price the set a lot more than what you would for a normal set. French tip is very time consuming and it's tedious, and you need to get paid for that. So if you're doing it with gel polish, it's still consuming because you want to get those lines straight and make sure you're perfecting your French. And if you're doing it with acrylic, you got to get that French actually perfect. And it's just tedious. It's a long process. So just make sure you're getting your money for that. You don't want people to lowball you on that, because if you tell them a low price for French, they will definitely want it because they know anybody else will be charging a lot more for it. So keep that in mind if you're a beginner. But like I said, we're just doing a little French set. It is a short set. Nothing complicated to this tutorial at all. Just watch what I do, guys. And if you've been trying to practice doing French or want to get more into French, before you start doing it with all acrylic, just try it this way. And if you are a person that only do your French with all acrylic, you might want to try it this way. It gives you a pretty good look. To me, it gives you the same effect. And yeah, guys, that's it. So if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You don't want to miss the 2 giveaways. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.